Good morning children, class 11th. Now we will do the MySQL commands by using select command. Okay. So using select command, first we have to use the database named school. Okay, we have already created the database in our previous class. We have to activate or we have to open that database every time you are using the table from that database. Okay, so every time you are using the table, you have to first activate the database. So use schools I have written, so it has come to database changed. Okay, message. Now if you what are the contents or whatever the contents are there in your table, if you want to see the whole records or the whole rows, you have to give the command select star from details. What it will show? It will show the column wise id, name, marks, and what we have entered the in our last class. Okay, we have used insert into table name, values, then bracket. Okay, there are in my last class I have entered only 3 records, or we can say 3 rows we have entered. Now if we want to insert more rows, then again you have to write insert into details, table name, values, id, name, and marks. Query okay, 1 row affected, so it has entered. Now second, another row you want to enter, so insert into details, values, the same thing. Now if we again want to see all the details, if we want to see all the records from the table, then we have to write select star from details. Now you are having total 5 records we are able to see. Okay, next if I want only to see the name and marks from the table details, then name, select name comma marks from details. Now here we are not using star. Star is for to display all the columns. For all the columns to see, we are using star. We want only some few columns to see. So name, marks, or we want only name and marks from the table details. So name, marks, it has come. If I want to see id and marks from the table details, then select id comma marks from details. Select id comma marks from details. So it will display id and the marks. Okay. If I want to select only the name, the question will ask to display name from the table details. Then what it will say? Select name from details. Only the name column it will display. The 5 names will be displayed. Okay, what you have entered. Now if I want to, the question might ask to show or to display all the details from the table detail where marks are more than 90. I want to see all the students' name whose marks are more than 90. What I will write? Select star from details where marks greater than 90. This is your operator. Okay. See here. 132 Ramesh 97.2 more than 90 it is. Okay, if I say that to see all the details from the table details where marks are less than 90. So what you will do? Select star from details where marks symbol less than symbol logical. This is your relational operator. Okay, greater than, less than, these are your relational operator. Okay, when you write this, select star. When you write star means it will display all the rows whose marks are less than 90. It will has displayed. select star from details where marks less than 90. If I say that I want to see the names and marks of from the table details whose marks are greater than 80 and marks less than 70. So there is no empty set. Empty set means there is no such record. Okay. In the same way, if I write select name comma marks from details where marks greater than 70 and marks less than 80. Marks greater than 70 and marks less than 80 means the marks are between 70 to 80. Then it will display the table like this. Okay, there are only 2 rows. Now if I say select name comma marks from details where marks less than 70, I want to see those children's name and marks whose marks are less than 70. It will display only 1 because there is only 1 record. Okay, so this is the select command. See properly and please note it down. Thank you.